2018 Kia Forte. If you're looking for a trendy and feature-laden compact sedan, the Kia Forte is for you. It offers an exceptional combination of innovative design, high-quality engineering, and outstanding value. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats, child safety locks, MP3 player, trip computer, power door locks, CD player. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.